Hi everyone, I'm Rajitha, working as the Assistant Professor of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science Department in SNS College of Technology. Today, we're going to see about heuristic functions in AI. The heuristic function which help AI system solve problems faster. These functions act as smart guides that make search algorithm more efficient by giving hints about which direction to move in a large problem space. Um, what is heuristic? So the heuristic is a rule of thumb. It is not always perfect, but it helps us reach a good solution quickly. In AI, a heuristic is an informed guess that helps the system decide which path to explore next. Instead of checking every possible move like brute force method, heuristic allow algorithm to find near optimal solution much faster. They trade accuracy for speed, so we may not always get the best answer, but we get a good enough answer in less time. So the uh, rule of thumb is a traits guaranteed optimality for practical speed. The smart shortcuts, it's essential for complex search spaces. Purpose reduce search space. The main purpose of using heuristic is to reduce the search space, meaning we explore fewer paths while searching for a solution. Heuristic work by estimating how close the current state is to the goal. They also filter out unnecessary nodes, allowing the algorithm to focus on the most promising ones. This makes searching much faster and more efficient, especially in large or complex problems like puzzles, maps, or planning routes. So common heuristic examples, Manhattan distance, Euclidean distance, misplaced title. So Manhattan distance is used in grid-based movement. It calculates the total horizontal and vertical distance between 2 points. Euclidean distance, the straight line distance between 2 points, useful when diagonal movement is allowed. Misplaced tiles often used in puzzle problems like the 8 puzzle, where it counts how many tiles are not in their correct position. These heuristic guide algorithms like A star and greedy search to move closer to the goal intelligently. So heuristic function notation. The standard notation for a heuristic function is h of n, where n represent a node or state. It gives the estimated cost to reach the goal from the node. If h of n is smaller, that means the node is closer to the goal. So the algorithm will prefer nodes with lower heuristic values since they seem more promising. Properties of good heuristics. A good heuristic should have two main properties: admissible, consistent. It never overestimate the actual cost. This means the heuristic is optimistic and ensure we don't miss the best solution. Consistent, the estimated cost from the start to the goal should always follow a non-decreasing pattern. Mathematically, h of n less than or equal to cost n comma n plus h of n dash. These the properties make algorithm like A star both efficient and accurate. And A star algorithm integration. The A star algorithm is the most popular heuristic based search algorithm. It combines two values, g of n and H of n. The actual cost from the start node to the current node. H of n, the estimated cost from the current node to the goal. Together, f of n equal to g of n plus h of n gives the total estimated cost of a path. A star always picks the node with the smallest f of n values, balancing between cost and distance to goal, making it both fast and accurate. Why heuristic matter? Heuristic make a huge differences in AI performance. They can make search up to 10 times faster and use 75% less memory by exploring fewer nodes. They are used in major algorithms like A star greedy search and hill climbing. In real life, heuristic help in navigation system, robot movement, and even in games like chess, where they guide the AI toward the best moves. And limitation and challenges. Approximation trade-off. Since heuristic make guesses, they might lead to slightly wrong or suboptimal path. Misleading estimates. A poor heuristic can actually slow down the process or make the algorithm miss the goal. Domain dependency. A heuristic designed for one problem may not work for another. For example, a heuristic for a math won't work for a chess game. Hence, heuristic must be carefully designed for each specific applications. So the key takeaways is heuristic help balance speed and accuracy. They make AI search more practical. They guide the algorithm toward the goal but don't guarantee perfection. They are essential in AI problem solving, path finding, and decision making. Without heuristic, many AI systems would take too long to find solutions. This is the mind map for heuristic function. Thank you.